Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today you all, we are participating in a Styling with Wood Accents collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the thegracelifediyhomedecor. Included in this hosting of this collaboration is myself at home with Lisa, sandylynn's'homeandgarden, Jenniferathome, Creating with Mzkaye, and barbydaileyrurallifeinthevalley. Please go over and check out these channels because I know these ladies have created some awesome videos for us to view. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as I bring out all of my wood accents that I plan on using in this video today. So first of all, we're going to be using this beautiful cutting board, this wooden cutting board. And I must say you all that this is a very budget friendly video here today because I didn't purchase anything that I am using today. I may have purchased this board. I have so many of them, y'all, I don't know. But anyway, this is a very budget friendly video. So we will be utilizing this wooden cutting board, and we're also going to be using our dining table as well too, that is made out of wood. We're going to be bringing these wooden candle stands in as well. They are very old. I've used them time and time again. So if you're not new here and you've been rocking with me for some time, you've seen these before. So I thought they would be very good in this video today. And then we want to also include some of these birch wood candles, and we have them at different height because we do want to show some type of elevation throughout this styling. So also with this styling, along with the candle stands and the birch wood candles, we're going to be utilizing this table runner here as well. We're not doing a tablescape here today. We're only doing a styling for the center of the table. Okay, so we are going to be using this table runner to give it a little bit more of a warm tone, because guess what? These are some warm accents here that we're going to be using today. And then we have a decorative candle stand here as well too, and it is in gold. So I did want to offset some of the wood by bringing in some of the gold tones and also some greenery as well too. So you guys, without further ado, if this is some type of content that you are interested in, that you are liking, and you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on that subscribe button. But if you decide not to click on that subscribe button, just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below if you enjoyed this video. And I pray that you're able to take something away from this video in a very positive way. And don't forget to go over and check out the other ladies that are involved in this collaboration. So let's get into it. So this is the table that we will be utilizing to style our rustic centerpiece with wood accents. And I've already gone ahead and cleaned the table, you guys, so it is ready, it is prepared for me to create this beautiful centerpiece for you all. I love this table runner, and I love the tassels that are attached to the end of this table runner, and I felt like that this table runner would be perfect for this styling because it pairs very, very well with the wood accents that we're going to be using here today in this styling. This wooden cutting board is absolutely gorgeous. It is going to look so beautiful with this centerpiece styling that I am creating. I love all of the different wood tones and colors that are throughout this cutting board, and it matches well with the table now that I'm looking at it as well too. It kind of has the same pattern as the table, and I think everything is going to work out, and it's going to look really, really good, and everything is going to just mesh and be married together. Now, to break up a little bit of the wood accents, I decided to bring in this gold decor piece here, this candle stand, and then it has a glass votive or vase to go with it. So I thought this was a great pick to use here to offset some of the wood accent pieces here in this styling. These wooden candle stands are so unique. They are gorgeous. They have like a rustic and distressed look throughout the candle stands, and as you can see, they match perfectly here with the wooden cutting board along with our gold candle stand here as well too. I actually forgot that I had these birchwood candles, and I saw them and I was like, okay, we're going to include these in this styling. They're going to fit perfectly in this styling. So yes, I decided to use these, and these are old. As you can see, they've been burned before, so I am just bringing back some of the pieces that I have already used before, but decorating with them in a different light. Thank you all so much for being here today. I think I have added all that I'm going to add for you to see before the reveal. So now let's go ahead and get into this reveal. And Anna, thank you so much for inviting me on this collaboration. We are here, love bugs. We have made it to the reveal, and I am very pleased and ready to share this with you guys. So you all, I decided to not use a candle in the middle of this candle stand here. I decided to add florals to it. I wanted to give it a different look, and I didn't want to overpower the centerpiece with all of the candles, because of course you guys see that we did add the birchwood candles here, so I didn't want to overcrowd it, and so I thought adding the florals would be a perfect touch with this rustic wood accent centerpiece that we have created here today. I don't think it is too much. I think it is perfect. I think the darker wood tones along with the lighter wood tones just really makes this centerpiece stand out. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and I thank each and every one of you all for tuning in today on this collaboration. And if you would like to participate in this collaboration, go ahead and create a video, but please do not forget to mention the host in your video, and you can also include them in your description box as well too. And please go over and check out the other ladies. They will be happy to have you over. And At Home with Lisa is going to thank you once again for clicking on this video and giving her a big like and some sweet loving and kind comments down below. Thank you, because you guys know that we cannot do this without you all, and I am just loving this centerpiece. I'm going to allow it to stay here on my table at least for another week or so because I like it so much. But I thought adding the florals was just a different touch and giving it a different look, and to also introduce a different idea. But all right, love bugs, thanks again for watching, and at home with Lisa, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See you all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.